Understanding Tuba Workshop in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, tuba workshop. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how it's used in everyday language. What is a tuba? Firstly, let's understand what a tuba is. A tuba is a large brass musical instrument with a deep sound. It's the biggest instrument in the brass family and is commonly seen in orchestras and bands. What does workshop mean here? Now, let's look at the word workshop. In this context, a workshop refers to a session or a series of sessions where people gather to gain practical experience or skills in a particular field. It's not just a physical space but an event for learning and practicing. When we combine these two words, tuba workshop typically means a practical, educational session or series of sessions focused on playing the tuba. This could involve learning techniques, practicing music pieces, or even repairing and maintaining the instrument. Who attends a tuba workshop? Such workshops are usually attended by musicians of varying skill levels, from beginners to advanced players. It's a space for learning, sharing experiences, and improving one's tuba playing skills. Understanding phrases like tuba workshop is crucial for English learners because it gives insight into how English speakers combine words to create new meanings. It also shows how language reflects cultural and social activities, like music education in this case. And there you have it. We've unraveled the meaning of the phrase, tuba workshop. It's not just about understanding two separate words, but seeing how they come together to form a concept. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Keep practicing your English, and see you in our next video.